If Pyrus and Crips all got along, they probably gun me down by the end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear yak, 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 yak.
Man down, where you from? Who you know, where you from? Where your grandma stay, mine? This mad city I run.
You have 5 seconds to catch your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Better have my money. Y'all should know me well enough. Better have my money. Please don't call me on my bluff. Pay me what you want it. Ballin' bigger than LeBron. Give me your money. Who y'all think y'all frontin' on? Like blah blah blah.
Miss me with that bullshit.
You're not a gang member, you're a tourist. I took her to my penthouse and I freaked it. I haven't made my mind up, should I keep it? I got big dog status, it ain't no secret. La-dee-da-dee-da, slime on me.
Miss me with that bullshit. You ain't really wild, you a tourist. I be blacking out with the purist. I made 100,000, I freaked it. I made 500,000, I freaked it. I bought an 87 for the weekend. This ain't what you want, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want, this ain't what you want.
Ahí está. Está